You were never born to struggle, chase, or shrink yourself to survive. That's what we are healing today. So breathe with me now. This is not a quick fix. This is a soul work, cellular work. You are about to remember what your nervous system forgot. You are safe to receive. You are worthy of overflow. And you are allowed to be rich with peace. Let's begin. Gently close your eyes, drop your shoulders, loosen your jaw. Take a slow, deep breath. Breathe in through the nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale any tension, fear, or anxiety. You are safe. You are ready. Let your mind gently drift to a memory. The very first time you felt fear around money. Maybe it was watching someone you love argue over bills. Maybe it was being told, we can't afford that. Maybe it was silence, guilt, or shame. Let that younger version of you come forward. The child who felt unsafe, the teen who felt unworthy, the adult who learned to hustle and suffer. Now speak to them gently. I am here now. You are safe. You were never meant to carry this fear. Let them be seen. Let them be heard. Let them begin to soften. We now begin the sacred Hawaiian prayer of forgiveness. This is the medicine that rewires emotion, not just thoughts. We will speak to our inner child, our ancestors, our subconscious fears, our wealthy future self. Take a deep breath. Repeat gently with intention. I am sorry for the time I believed wasn't enough, for fearing success, for fearing failure. Please forgive me for carrying burdens that were never mine, for rejecting the love that money can offer. Thank you for all the lessons, for the struggles that taught me strength. I love you. I love you now. I love you even when you are scared. I love you into the wealth. Now step into the future. The wealth is yours. The peace is yours. The overflow is yours. Please keep breathing. Visualize waking up in a beautiful space that you own, checking your account and feeling complete trust, paying others generously, tipping with joy, feeling safe, celebrated, and spiritually aligned with prosperity. What do you wear? Who's with you? What decisions are easy now? Now repeat after me. I am a perfect match for luxurious peace. I magnetize money by being my truest self. My wealth is an extension of my worthiness. It is safe to receive, to expand, and to be seen. Anchor that image. Let your nervous system imprint it as a real, because it already is. Let these affirmations fill the silence between thoughts. Let your body believe them. I am open to receiving miracles. Money flows to me even when I rest. I forgive the past and welcome ease. I trust myself with money. I create wealth with integrity and joy. I love the way money supports my highest purpose. Wealth is my nature. I was born for overflow. Take a final breath in, and as you exhale, say, It is done. The shift has begun. I am no longer available for struggle. Feel your body anchor into a new reality. You have remembered who you are, not just someone who wants wealth, but someone who is finally ready for it. Thank yourself for doing this work that echoes backward through time and forward into the generations to come. If this meditation shifted something inside you, like, share, and subscribe, comment. I am safe to receive, to anchor the energy. Tap the bell so you never miss your next healing. Love you and sending lots of blessing in your way.